Hello, this is group 4. I am Maggie.
I'm Jacob.
I'm Alec.
I'm Fredi.
Okay. And this is kind of what we have going on so far. So looking at like Jira and our timeline, this is kind of where we're at. Still like on pace, like ends on the 30th. In terms of like the individual tasks, the design of the control strategy and the presentation of the results is what's kind of in progress. And then from there, we'll be able to put together the final report and then any appendices if they are needed. In terms of the actual project, this is what we have. We're doing a suspension, very basic suspension system of like a car. Yeah, so that's kind of like the time domain model. And then there's a characteristic equation, free body diagram, and then we have our transfer function. And then that's kind of like the linearization process, all of that. And then we started the block diagram and are working our way through that. And then we also have some stuff developed in Matlab.
And I will take over for that. So we started our modeling in Matlab. This kind of piece of paper just shows the process of finding our mass dampening ratio, all of that, all of the inputs we needed for that. And then I have the code actually written out here. Now the model of this in Matlab looks like this, which is expected. The middle line, what?
We can't see that. You have to share your other.
Really? Okay. I don't know if I know how to do that. Okay. So this is the output model that Matlab gives us, which makes sense. Your center line isn't 0, which makes sense. There will always be weight on the car. So we really like how that turned out. Then back to my other screen, we did the stability just with a simple Roth-Hurwitz matrice. As you can see, we got all of these to come out to show us that if C and CK are greater than 0, our system will remain stable, and it will because it's a spring system. And if Alec has something on controllers.
Yeah, so the controllers for this in like a real world situation, it's used in a few different places, but essentially it can help actually control the car and the body roll and how that stuff works with active. It senses like the yaw of the car and how it's turning, and it can help reduce problems with suspension and get a smoother ride.
So that's kind of where we're at with the project. Got a couple of things here to finish, and then hopefully we'll be ready Friday to turn it in.